Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to re-record the screencast really quick to show off this Chrome to Safari Bookmark Sync extension that I've been working on. Several guys wanted some audio to it so I could kind of explain and walk through what it's doing and answer a few questions too. So let me get into it really quick and just kind of show you what it does. Basically, if you are a Chrome user, you know that Alfred will only index your Safari bookmarks and not the bookmarks from Chrome. And typically, the answer to that has been to install something called Xmarks, and Xmarks will sync your bookmarks between browsers, between machines, and stuff like that. But if you just need it to make it to where you can index or search the bookmarks in Alfred, a lot of guys don't want the full-blown Xmarks package just for that. So this is what it does. So let's go ahead and let me show you my bookmarks here in Chrome really quick. We'll go ahead and delete that just to start fresh and show you over here that all I've got is the popular and the news folder in Safari. So let's close the bookmarks, let's close this, and let's get started. Alright, I've got Alfred App's website open right here, so let's go ahead and Command D and press enter, and we added this bookmark for Alfred. You can see it here. Okay, so the way the extension is set up is you have a one-time run that you can do with the extension, and it will basically copy all of the bookmarks from Chrome to Safari just for the syncing. The command for the extension is CSS for Chrome to Safari sync. So if I press enter right now, it's just going to copy the bookmarks over. You will see a synced folder pop up right here with the Alfred app bookmark inside of it. And there it is, and you can see that it finished syncing Chrome bookmarks to Safari. Synced, there's your bookmark, and it opens up Alfred's website. Now, the other thing that some people wanted to do was to be able to have this run automatically and not have to worry about having to run the extension every so often. And after talking to Don Southard, his Twitter username is Binary Ghost. I kind of got the idea of doing this through a launch D script. So I added that into the extension, and basically what it will do is I can turn on auto syncing. And by doing that, it will add a plist to the launch agents. It will run at startup. You can set the interval, so you can set it to where every 1 minute, every 5 minutes, every 30 seconds, whatever you want it to do. On that interval, it will run the script and automatically sync your bookmarks from Chrome, back to Safari. So you never have to worry about it. Just add bookmarks however you want to in Chrome, and depending on the duration you have set for the interval, it may take a few seconds, it may take a few minutes, whatever it is, and your bookmarks will automatically be copied from Chrome back to Safari and be put inside of that synced folder. So let's turn on auto syncing really quick, and this shows that it is on, and this is the output from the first run. Now right now the notifications will automatically pop up every, say, it looks like 10 seconds or so. You can change that interval. You can go CSS interval and set it to, say, 20 seconds, and it will tell you that the bookmark update interval has been set to 20 seconds. This was the first run on that time interval. So now that we've got that done, let's kick back over here to Safari and expand this really quick so you can see it as it changes. Just for the demo, I'm going to change this back to 10 seconds just so we'll have a little bit faster syncing. So if I come back over here, and this is the app that I've mentioned before, that Don Southard, Binary Ghost, he created this app. It's a pinboard app. So let's go ahead and bookmark this page as well. It's in my bookmarks bar. We'll just name it Thumbtack. Press done, and there it is in Safari within a few seconds. Same thing for Bartender. Let's bookmark it. And it looks like it missed it that time. Give it a few seconds to refresh. Okay, so it must have. Alright, that's obviously why it's still not released yet. You see Thumbtack was added right there at the last second. it's telling me that no changes were detected. And basically what it's doing is it's checking a last time that the bookmarks were synced and the last time that the Chrome bookmarks file was modified. And if the bookmark modification date is not greater than the last modified time or the last sync time, then it's going to tell you that there are no changes detected, and it's not going to try to sync. That way it's not constantly wiping out your bookmarks and updating them every time. So I tell you what, let's clear this out really quick. And like I said, I guess that was just it came in right at the last second. So we know it just ran, so it should run again in a few seconds. And there it is. Same thing for Sparrow. Bookmark it. Wait a few seconds. And there's Sparrow. Now, one other thing. I had some guys ask me if this required Safari to be open. It does not, because it does directly read and write to Safari's bookmarks plist. So you do not have to have Safari open to do this. So let's open up, say, well, let's just go back to apple.com really quick. And if I bookmark this, done, give it a second. Finish syncing bookmarks. So if we open Safari back up, get our synced folder, there's the Apple. So the Apple bookmark. So I guess that's about it, guys. Like I said, I'm still working on it, trying to get a few things set up. I've got it set to where you can change the interval right now. I would suggest not doing it, at a really low interval. I mean, what are the odds that you have to have a bookmark that fast? I'd say set it for a few minutes, something like that. We've got it set really low just for this demo, but we'll kick it back up to about 5 minutes now. So with that done, another option I'm going to add is right now when the sync runs, you'll notice every time it was popping up and telling you that it did not find new changes or it finished updating or whatever. I'm going to add another option to the script that will make it to where you can turn those notifications off if you don't want them. I would probably get tired of them popping up, but then at the same time, in a real world situation, it's not going to be updating every 10 seconds. It would probably every 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, maybe an hour. So, it's not going to be popping up that often. I've got a few other ideas of how I'm going to work with a few scripts with this timer implementation and stuff with LaunchD, but I'll save that for later. So that's it, guys. I hope it answers all your questions, gives you a little bit better information of how this stuff works and what it's doing. And guess watch me on Twitter or watch my Tumblr, and I'll keep you updated with progress on the extension and when it's released. Thanks for watching.